Hi guys, and welcome to another Vertica tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna see how we can drop a Vertica database. So this is a very easy task, but at the same time a very dangerous task, as you can see. So we have a database that its location, it's in DD, for example. So what we're going to do now, we're going to log into the database. Database is operational, as you can see. The database name is called DD. So this is a dummy database. So to drop it, just log in your admin tools, stop the database, obviously punch in the password to stop the database. After you shut down the database, using the same admin tool interface, we issue the drop database command. So you choose the drop database command and you select the database to drop and say choose the option yes, and then you will have to type yes to confirm the action. So that's pretty much it. After you drop the database, all the data files are deleted, all the configuration files are deleted for that respective database. Now if we try to see, there's no database defined. If we exit and we're trying to connect to the database, we can see that the database service and also the database location is no longer existent. So, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I see you guys in the next tutorial.